Well, Evan, we finally get to ride Top Thrill 2 here.
Yes, we do.
Are you excited?
Very.
Oh, man. So we've definitely ridden it a few times already so far. But this is our first time riding it towards the front.
Yeah.
And yeah. So just a quick reminder, you know, we're going 74 miles an hour forward, 101 miles an hour backwards, and then we're going 120 miles an hour all the way up the tower. So come hang out and join us and watch us ride. So are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
It's been a while since we rode, so.
I am ready to go, I believe.
Oh, ready to go? Yeah. You'll hear it right now.
Here we go.
Here we go. Hey, here we go. Oh, yeah. Here we go. And there it is right there.
And about halfway up.
You know what? We're as tall as Magnum. Literally
there you go.
as tall as Magnum.
And backwards.
Here we go. Accelerating backwards to 101.
My hair.
Yeah. Wow, look at Power Tower. Here we go. Oh, yeah. And here we go to 120. Awesome. Oh, here we go.
Oh my God, the air.
Oh, wow. Here we go.
And down.
Woo! Oh man, I definitely say it's a little crazier than Wild Mouse that we rode last year.
A little bit. It's so good though.
Oh, it's so smooth, really good. Come check it out at Cedar Point.
Never get old.
It's never gonna get old. That spike just going up there and that stall, it just feels like you stall for forever and you just keep going.
It just keeps going
like,
and going.
It's great. I love it. So.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, definitely. Come check it out.